Hey you guys, and welcome back to DATFAMILY5. Today is a collab with Miss Sierra from Just Being Sierra, and also a collab with Miss Machi Tribe on the Amachi Tribe, Wanda Amachi on the Amachi Tribe on YouTube. Don't forget to go over there. Today we are doing a bathroom cleaning. I am doing a power hour bathroom cabinet decluttering spring cleaning. So it's a little bit of everything in it because we got to get that spring cleaning done. And y'all know my bathroom, our main bathroom, it's the girls' bathroom and the bathroom that everybody else uses in the house. When you come in, that's the bathroom that you use. And so we wanted to make sure, I wanted to make sure that the cabinets were pretty much cleared out a little bit and that we had some room for some things. So I really hope that you enjoyed this motivation and inspiration and discipline. That's what we're working on right now. For me, I'm working on discipline. I can inspire you and I can motivate you, but what comes after inspiration and motivation is discipline. So I'm trying to make sure I stay disciplined to keep you disciplined, if that makes sense. But if you haven't yet, go ahead and click that subscription box down below. Don't forget to ring that bell, a ding ding, and don't forget to put that thumbs up if you like this video. If you can, also please make sure to share this content with any friends or frenemies. Okay, let's get on over to this intro. Boom.
Sleep at night, thinking about you and me. Why did you have to be so cruel? I guess I should have known it from the start, but baby, I was so caught up in you, picking up the pieces of my heart. Oh baby, let me hold you, I just wanna hold you. I guess I should have known it from the start, but baby, I was so caught up in you, picking up the pieces of my heart. Oh baby, let me hold you, I just wanna hold you. Cause every morning I wish you were here with me, watching the sunlight fill my room. I guess I should have known it from the start, but baby, I was so caught up in you, picking up the pieces of my heart. Oh baby, let me hold you, I just wanna hold you. I guess I should have known it from the start, but baby, I was so caught up in you, picking up the pieces of my heart. Oh baby, let me hold you, I just wanna hold you.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that she'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever, wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space, wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better, make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody say, don't be afraid of loving yourself, cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever, wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space, wondering if it is what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that'll make her feel better? Make her feel better. And that's where she'll go. Talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own.
Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow, just thought I'd let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. Ready to talk, baby, can be your rock, baby. Please come and sit with me, or take a walk with me. I need to speak to you, just wanna be with you. Just let me take you for a ride. Is there a chance that we could make another try? I think we're meant to be, didn't wanna say goodbye. If there's a chance, just tell me how. Cause time is precious, time is now. Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow, just thought I'd let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. No, I was dumb, baby, just way too young, baby. I was too blind to see what you meant to me. The things you can't forgive, didn't know how to live, cause I didn't love myself. Wish I could turn back time, go back and do things right. Give you a wedding ring, give you my everything, and be there by your side. Share a life and have a child. Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. Thinking about you lately, I'm hanging on to my maybe. I still miss you every day. You were the one who got away. Been thinking about you lately, I'm hanging on to my maybe. I still miss you every day. You were the one who got away. Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time with you. Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time with you. I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go. I see you watching me from a distance. I see you can't decide what to feel. But if you dig a little deeper, boy, you know you really wanna get to know me. Let's get this out of the way. I can't wait another day to tell you you shouldn't wait. Don't be so afraid. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, come and get it, come and get it. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Oh, 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 oh. Baby, I'm all yours. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games.
And as always, we are the family that loves life and having fun and giving you the motivation and inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. Thank you for spending your time with us because time is precious, and we will see y'all on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. We love you guys, and y'all be blessed. Thank you again.
I'm all yours. Can't take my eyes off. 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 You got that motion, dance in slow motion. My eyes can't help looking at you right now. So much emotion, just pick your poison. Is every move you make even allowed? Can't get enough. I try my best to look away, but I can't stop. Am I a freak to you? We almost touch. I feel your body.